Hi everyone. Today I am going to walk through my order execution engine, a production grade backend service that processes token swap orders using PostgreSQL, Redis, BullMQ, WebSockets, and a mock text router. So let's see the architecture overview of this first. So I have a client. So basically we will call the API through Postman. So we do not have a UI, but uh, we have a WebSocket. We have a Fastify API server through which we will call our APIs. So first API is execute, which will push the order, and WS execute. This API will basically give us the real-time updates of our order status. So the order will be pushed and it will be stored in PostgreSQL, and it will side by side order is queued in the BullMQ, and um, then the worker will fetch the orders one by one and execute the mock swap. It will update the status like uh, um, firstly the status will be pending, then it will be routing, building, submitting, and finally the status will change to confirmed. Also the active orders are stored in Redis, so we can fetch the current pending orders at any given time. Yeah, so that's all. The tech stack used is Node.js, TypeScript, with TypeScript, Fastify server with WebSocket, BullMQ, Redis, PostgreSQL just for testing, and Docker Compose for local infra. Yeah, so let's see the demo now. So I have deployed my server on render, and my database PostgreSQL is on Neon, and my Redis is on render only. So let's see the demo. This is the API for pushing the order. So let's push an order. So yeah, so now let's push multiple orders. So we can see the logs here. Let's push multiple orders. See, our orders are pushed into the queue, and one by one they are executed and its status are updating. The status is submitted, confirmed. Before that it would be building. See, so our status are being updated, and we can also check that if this exists in our database or not, because the entry should exist in our database. So let's check that also. Okay, so we have that entry and the status is confirmed. We have the token hash, amount, DAX, and executed price, and we have created, updated. So we have that entry and its status is confirmed. We can also check this side by side using a WebSocket API that we are creating. So what we can do is this: we can execute these API to check the live status of the order. We can connect okay, so we got the status of our order, that it is confirmed. So if we keep it connected from starting, as soon as we get the order ID, we will see all the status updates here, live status updates, starting from pending to routing, then submitted, and then confirmed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is the uh, how my uh, server and application is working. This is the demo. Thanks for watching. If you want the code or a deeper breakdown, check the description below or drop a comment. I'll see you in the next one.